Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix 0x000003e3 printer error in Windows 11 or 10. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, then Settings. Here click on System, then click on Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. You will see printer, click on Run and follow the instruction which you see in this dialog box. Close it and restart. Still you are facing problems, so you can try second method. Click on Start, search here Services, open Services. Now in this list guys, you have to find out print spooler. Right click on it, Properties, startup type select automatic, then stop it. Now start, then apply, then click on OK. Now close and restart again. So this is the way guys you can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.